In today's video, we're going to learn how to talk about the weather in French. I've organized the lesson into simple, easy-to-follow sections. But before we dive in, hello fellow French learners. Welcome to Sam's English to French Lab. Let's build fluency in French together, naturally and confidently, through learning, listening, repeating, thinking, and practicing. So let's start with the first one, the seasons. In French, the word for seasons is les saisons. Now let's go through the 4 seasons one by one. I'll say each one in French, and then you can repeat after me to help improve your pronunciation. Ready?
Le printemps. Le printemps. Le printemps. L'été. 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 L'automne. 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 L'hiver. L'hiver. L'hiver.
All right, moving to the next part. How to talk about the weather in French. So, if you want to ask about the weather in French, the most common phrase is
Quel temps fait-il?
Means what's the weather like? Repeat after me.
Quel temps fait-il? Quel temps fait-il?
To answer this question, there are several ways to describe the weather in French. The first way starts with il. This is used for specific weather actions. For example, it's raining.
Il pleut.
Repeat it with me.
Il pleut. Il pleut.
It's snowing.
Il neige.
Repeat after me.
Il neige. Il neige.
It's hailing.
Il grêle.
Say it with me.
Il grêle. Il grêle.
It's freezing.
Il gèle.
Say it after me.
Il gèle. Il gèle.
Now it's time for the second way to describe the weather, and that's with
il fait.
It's used to talk about how the weather feels, and it's super common. To make it easier to remember, I've organized the phrases into small, clear categories. First, let's look at how to talk about general pleasant or unpleasant weather. Don't forget to repeat after me to practice your pronunciation. It's a beautiful day.
Il fait beau. Il fait beau.
It's bad weather.
Il fait mauvais. Il fait mauvais.
After that, here are phrases to describe the temperature. For example, it's hot.
Il fait chaud. Il fait chaud.
It's cold.
Il fait froid. Il fait froid.
It's cool.
Il fait frais. Il fait frais.
Let's move on to how to describe the sky and overall weather conditions. Here are some examples. It's cloudy.
Il fait nuageux. Il fait nuageux.
It's gray.
Il fait gris. Il fait gris.
It's dark.
Il fait sombre. Il fait sombre.
Next, here are phrases to talk about humidity and how the air feels. It's humid.
Il fait humide. Il fait humide.
It's muggy or heavy.
Il fait lourd. Il fait lourd.
Finally, let's look at how to say specific temperatures in French. For example, it's 25 degrees.
Il fait 25 degrés. Il fait 25 degrés.
It's -2 degrees.
Il fait -2 degrés. Il fait -2 degrés.
Now, I'm going to show you the third way to talk about the weather, using
il y a.
This literally means there is or there are. It doesn't directly mean it's. However, when talking about the weather, English translations often use it's to sound more natural. To illustrate, let's take a look at some examples. It's sunny.
Il y a du soleil. Il y a du soleil.
It's windy.
Il y a du vent. Il y a du vent.
It's foggy.
Il y a du brouillard. Il y a du brouillard.
It's cloudy.
Il y a des nuages. Il y a des nuages.
There's lightning.
Il y a des éclairs. Il y a des éclairs.
There's a thunderstorm.
Il y a de l'orage. Il y a de l'orage.
There's a storm.
Il y a une tempête. Il y a une tempête.
Finally, the last way to talk about the weather in French,
Le temps est.
which literally means the weather is. It's used for simple descriptions and can sometimes sound a bit more formal. You can use it with different adjectives. Here are a few common examples. The weather is sunny.
Le temps est ensoleillé. Le temps est ensoleillé.
The weather is cloudy.
Le temps est nuageux. Le temps est nuageux.
The weather is rainy.
Le temps est pluvieux. Le temps est pluvieux.
The weather is nice.
Le temps est beau. Le temps est beau.
The weather is humid.
Le temps est humide. Le temps est humide.
The weather is pleasant.
Le temps est agréable. Le temps est agréable.
The weather is bad.
Le temps est mauvais. Le temps est mauvais.
The weather is stormy.
Le temps est orageux. Le temps est orageux.
All right, let's practice talking about the weather in French with some simple, everyday dialogues. These will help you feel confident using what you've learned in real conversations. Here's the first dialogue.
Quelle est la saison maintenant?
C'est l'été.
Nous sommes en quelle saison?
Nous sommes en hiver. C'est quelle saison en ce moment?
C'est le printemps. Quel temps fait-il?
Il fait chaud. Quel temps fait-il aujourd'hui?
Il ne fait pas beau, il pleut.
Il fait chaud ce matin?
Non, il fait frais.
Il neige chez vous?
Oui, il y a beaucoup de neige.
Vous avez froid?
Oui, j'ai froid. Vous aimez ce temps?
Non, je préfère quand il y a du soleil. Il fait quelle température aujourd'hui?
Il fait 18 degrés. Le temps est mauvais?
Oui, il fait mauvais.
Il pleut aujourd'hui?
Oui, il pleut et il fait froid.
Le ciel est nuageux.
Oui, il est gris.
Il fait froid.
Oui, très froid.
Il fait chaud.
Oui, très chaud.
Quelle est la météo pour aujourd'hui?
Il pleut, alors prends un parapluie.
Tu as entendu la météo?
Oui, il y a du vent cet après-midi.
Regarde l'arc-en-ciel.
Oui, il est magnifique.
Est-ce qu'il y a du vent dehors?
Oui, il y a du vent. Le temps est agréable.
Oui, c'est une belle journée.
I hope all that repetition has helped you master today's vocabulary and pronunciation. Now, let's lock it in with a quiz. I've prepared a multiple choice quiz for you. Choose the best option for each picture. Ready to test your skills? Let's get started. Here is your first one.
Il y a du brouillard. Le temps est agréable. Il pleut. Il grêle. Il y a du soleil. Le temps est ensoleillé. L'arc-en-ciel. Le temps est mauvais. Il fait froid. Il y a des éclairs.
Before we move further into the quiz, if you've learned something and found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so I can make more videos for you. Alright, let's continue with the quiz. Here's the next one.
L'hiver. Il y a du vent. L'automne. Le temps est pluvieux. Il fait gris. Le printemps. Il fait beau. L'été. Il fait chaud. Le temps est orageux.
Great job, you did it. I hope you nailed the quiz. Before we finish, tell me in the comments.
Quel temps fait-il?
Where you are right now. I'm excited to read your answers. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing your French every day. See you soon.
À bientôt.